visit it free, don't pay nothing.
How do I get there?
This one.
Oh, this way?
From here you go up to the roof.
Okay.
To see the view of the tannery, to take nice pictures of the vats.
Oh, okay.
The visit, it's free.
Free?
Don't pay nothing, yeah.
Okay.
So you go up to see the tannery. Where are you from?
Canada.
Canada, yes. Canadian, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
In the white vat, there is water and the pigeon dropping, pigeon poo. So people ask why we use pigeon dropping. We use it to soften the leather because it is natural ammonia. So the height stays from 15 up to 25 days. In pigeon dropping, after that, we wash the leather with the water and we add the white vinegar to take off the smell from the skin. After that, we soak the hides in the dyes. And the colors are natural colors. For example, the red color from poppy flower, brown cedar wood, and the yellow, which is the most expensive spice in all over the world, saffron. And finally, we hang the skins on the roof to be dried.
It's a 30% chance that it's already raining.
So today we are taking a tour of the outer rim of the Medina. So I know we're seeing a number of places around the wall today, but one of them is going to be some, I believe they're tombs. You can just sort of see them up on top of the hill. Probably a little tricky to see because it's so cloudy and foggy, but I know at some point today we will end up on the other side up there for a view over the Medina from the north.
Where are we heading now?
So now we are going to the pottery and ceramic village. Our artisanal, our handmade job, like the only place where you're gonna see how they make those beautiful pieces.
The name of this family, Nez, almost two generations. Exactly since 1926. First thing, everything you will see here is made by hand. This is our raw material, the gray clay. We go to the Atlas Mountains to bring this clay, and the size is not like this. Big rocks. Later, the second step is right there. Dropping all the pieces inside that hole, full of water, 6 days to make it soft. And then we will use later hands to take it out from that hole, and we're gonna leave it to take some rest. And like this, we will have a base with hands. We will start making several pieces with different designs and shapes. Yes, please. Hisham is our designer. Any shape, any size, any design, even 3D designs, no rush for it. So always the last step is right here. We use the ovens to cook all the pieces. How many times? 2 times. First cook 6 hours, 850 Celsius. Taking them out to the painting room, and we will use about 46 colors. Hand paint to decorate all the pieces. Once we paint the pieces, we come back again here for a second time. 12 hours, 1,800 Celsius. The second time will be so hot like hell. We will close the doors, the windows, the ovens, and everybody.
Everybody leaves.
For sure, because if you will stay here, just prepare your grave because you'll lose your life.
Oh no.
This is the mosaic work. Take a look to those pieces right there first. The tiles, the same process. And then later we will draw shapes all the time. How many designs? 364 designs of shapes. And then the hammer. I'm not going to call it a hammer. I will say a sword or a knife.
It's a little tiny piece. Wow.
Check the weight. He's trying to do is to check the weight.
Oh wow, yeah.
Heavy.
Oh wow.
And before they start using this hammer, they use that stone to sharp the hammer right there. Here.
Yeah. I'll come down.
Let's go inside. compressor deserve this room. Yes. So this is our museum. All the pieces here are a special and precious collection. And take a look to this design here of mosaic. Almost 10 months of work to prepare this corner right here.
7 months?
10. 10. Yes.
I think he's used to it.
You friends now?
He'll follow you probably anywhere now.
Finally, our pocket meat has made it into the mountain like that.
Yeah.
So after spending the last 3 nights in Fez, we've headed to the train station and we're about to take a 6.5-hour train to Marrakech.